Ooh, ain't looking good for your boy. Oh, damn, we got a bunch of... Go ahead and play one, man. That's pretty bad. I ain't gonna lie. So the end all be all is here, y'all. Do I snore in my sleep? So the last time we did this video, y'all, I was using the Galaxy Watch 4 and I was caught actually snoring in my sleep, although I told my wife that I didn't. But since then, your boy been working on that. So what we gonna do in this video, y'all, I'm gonna see if I've gotten any better with using the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro when it comes to snoring in my sleep. So let's not waste no more time because I know y'all got a lot of stuff going on and I got a lot of stuff going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get through this video and I'm gonna get y'all out of here. But first things first, y'all know how we do over here. Go ahead and comment down below right now how many likes is on this video at the time you guys are watching it, and watch all the ads too, as well as hit that like button and let's run it up. Let's get it. Also, y'all, real quick, I'm raffling off a brand new Galaxy Watch 5 Pro that you guys can actually win, so make sure you go ahead, scoop up your tickets over at CKidRaffles.com and get in on it, so that way y'all don't miss out on all this dopeness. Also, y'all, a winner will be selected right here live on this channel on October 8th. Good luck, and let's go ahead and get into number 11. All right, so starting with number 11 here. Did you guys know your Galaxy Watch 5 and your 5 Pro has the ability to access your smartphone camera and use your watch as the live camera feed like you guys are seeing right here? So to set this up, all you have to do is obviously, y'all, you want to make sure your Galaxy Watch 5 or your 5 Pro is connected to whatever smartphone that you guys are using that is from an Android device. Then you're going to go ahead and swipe up from the bottom on your Galaxy Watch 5 or your 5 Pro. You're going to go ahead and find the camera application. Now it is going to pop up a message here and it's going to tell you guys that the camera app is closed on your phone, so just go ahead and press on this little blue camera button right here. Just go ahead and press on that button, and then now you guys can actually see exactly what your phone is seeing right here on your Galaxy Watch 5 as well as your 5 Pro, which is actually really dope. Now there's a couple things on the screen that I want to kind of walk through with you guys and let you guys know what's going on. This white circle that you guys see right here, this is basically going to be your shutter button. So if you press this, it's going to actually remote shutter to your phone and it's going to snap a photo for you. So if I go ahead and press that, boom, now it just took a photo. And then this little circle on the left side, if I tap on that, it's just going to show you a quick little preview of exactly what you just took on your phone. Now the other thing I want to show you here is on the right side here, this is going to allow you guys to be able to switch between photo and video. So if I tap on it, it's going to go to video. If I tap back, it's going to go to photo. Now right here at the top here, we have our timer. So if I tap on this, it's going to give me the option for a 3-second shutter. So if I go ahead and I press on the shutter, you can see that now it's going to take 3 seconds before it actually snaps that photo. All right, so number 10, y'all, is a must-have when it comes to having this watch right here, and you have to get a tempered glass screen protector for it. Now, the one that I personally use, y'all, is from a website called the SamsungNest.com, and it is legit, y'all. The other day, y'all, I hit my watch up against the door frame that's literally right behind this camera, y'all. And luckily, y'all, my screen protector was on it, y'all, and it handled it like a champ. You get a 4-pack of the screen protectors. So I don't want to hear y'all down in the comments after I've shown y'all in this video to get a screen protector for your watch, man, because y'all walking around here with a crack in your screen, I'm telling you right now, it's gonna knock all the cool out your walk. So I'll go ahead and put a link for it down in the description section below for the Watch 5, the 5 Pro, the 4, as well as the 4 Classic, because I'm still looking out for all my Galaxy Watch 4 users out there. I see y'all, we still family. All right, y'all, so number 9 is being able to calculate your body composition. Now, usually in the past, you would have to pay for these types of numbers and results. But with the brand new Galaxy Watch 5 as well as the 5 Pro, you can get the exact same health measurements for free, and it's a whole lot faster and more accurate on the Galaxy Watch 5 than it is on the Watch 4 that I tested. So in order for you guys to do this, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and swipe up, and then you want to go ahead and tap on the health application. Now once you guys are in here, you can just swipe down to where it should say body composition, and then we go ahead and tap on that. Now it is going to ask you guys for your gender, your height, as well as your weight, so you're going to have to put all of that information in here. And then once you guys have all the information in there, then you're just going to tap on measure, and then from there, what it's going to do is going to go ahead and it's going to ask you guys to make sure the watch is up closer to the top part of your wrist. Now with the Galaxy Watch 5 having this whole thicker body here, is actually going to make it fit a little more snug to your wrist, which is actually really dope. Now the next thing you want to do is actually take your middle finger as well as your ring finger, and you're just going to put it right on the side dials like so, and then it's going to automatically go ahead and start calculating your body composition. It's going to give you all the information that you guys need. Now I know I got to get my numbers together, but you know, we're working on that. All right, y'all, so number 8, before we get into how to get Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch 5 as well as your 5 Pro, because it is not defaulted on the watch, so you will have to manually add it. And in this video here, y'all, I'm going to show you how to do it, so stick around for that. But first, y'all, I gotta show you gestures when it comes to receiving as well as ignoring phone calls, because y'all already know you got some people out there that you don't really want to talk to, and I'm gonna show you how to ignore them. All right, so let's go ahead and say you guys got an incoming call coming in, right? And you want to answer, but you got 15 bags that you're carrying in of groceries out of your car because you only want to take one trip. So all you guys have to do, if the phone is ringing and it's going to show up on your watch and you want to answer it, all you have to do is just wave your hand like this, and it's going to go ahead and answer that call right from your watch using that gesture. But CKid, what about the flip side of that? Let's say somebody calls you and you don't even want to talk to them. You want to go ahead and ignore them. So all you have to do is go ahead and just turn your wrist like this, and it's going to go ahead and ignore and decline that call. Super dope feature, y'all. All right, y'all, so number 7 for me is no doubt sleep and snoring detection. Now, I'm going to say this, and I'm going to take this one to the grave. Listen, this is very important. I don't snore in my sleep, regardless of what my wife say. But to activate this on your smartphone, guys, you must turn on snore detection. So in order to find this, y'all, it's super easy on your Galaxy Watch 5 as well as your 5 Pro. Now, you're going to go ahead and go to your health application right here, and then you're just going to swipe down until you get to the sleep section. Now, once you guys are in the sleep section, you're just going to tap on it. You're going to scroll down here. And then from here, you're going to see snore detection. So you're going to go ahead and tap on that. Now it is going to pop it up here on your Galaxy device. And then on your device, you just want to go ahead and turn it on. And then you want to turn it on to always or once, depending on how frequent you guys want it to be detecting that you guys are snoring. And then once you guys have it set, you just want to place this phone here bedside to you. And then you want to make sure it is also plugged in. And then from there, it's going to record anytime that it detects that you guys are snoring at night, which, you know, I don't do. Like I said, y'all, I'm taking it to the grave that I don't snore, but we got the results in nonetheless. And let's go ahead and see what we got. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch on over to the Z Flip because that's what I was using here to test this out. So the first night here, we got our sleeping data here. We'll sleep for 5 hours and 19 minutes. We're going to scroll down to the snoring. Look at there, y'all. No snoring data detected, baby. Let's go. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and go to the next day. Now, this one here, we will sleep for 8 hours and 16 minutes. So let's go ahead and see if we got... Ooh. Ain't looking good for your boy. See here, let's go ahead and tap in it. Oh, damn. We got a bunch of little files here. So let's go ahead and play one, man. Oh, that's pretty bad. I ain't gonna lie. Let's switch to the third day and see what we got here. This one here, I was asleep for 6 hours and 16 minutes. And let's see what we got. No snoring data, baby. So, you know what I mean? I'm gonna say this. You know, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. All right, y'all, so number 6 is one that I like before you guys actually install Google Assistant on your watch, and that is switching up the watch faces. And I do this using an app called Watch Face Minimum and Elegant, y'all. It's literally, y'all, my go-to for my Galaxy watch faces now because I've had some issues in the past with Watchmaker, had some issues in the past with Facer, and now we on this one right here, y'all. So on your Android device, you're gonna go ahead and go to the Play Store and you're gonna download the Watch Face Minimum and Elegant app on your phone, and then you also gonna download it on your watch as well. Now, once it's actually on your smartwatch, you want to go ahead and press and hold on the watch face on your screen, and then you're going to go ahead and switch the watch face to the white default Minimum and Elegant logo. That's going to be right there in your watch faces now. Then on your phone, you want to go to the Minimum and Elegant app. You're going to find whatever one that you guys like. You're going to tap on apply, and it's going to load it right to your watch on your watch face. Now, I'll go ahead and link a video down in the description section below because there's a little bit more that you kind of have to do to this, and I'll go ahead and show you guys that step by step in that video. So definitely make sure you guys check it out. And this watch face right here, I'll go ahead and link it down in the description section below. All right, y'all, so number 5, and that is customizing the side buttons on your watch. So in order for you guys to actually do this, you want to go ahead and go to settings. So let me go ahead and go to settings here. You want to go ahead and go to advanced features, and then from here you want to go ahead and scroll down to customize keys. Now at the top here, you have the ability to customize the double press of the home key. So for me, I have it set to my camera, so if I just double press it, boom, it's going to go ahead and launch my camera on my phone. And then the other thing you guys can do is go back to it, or you can also set it to whatever you guys like. So you can set it to any one of the applications that you guys have that you guys want to launch. Now, the other thing you can do is press and hold. Now, if I press and hold this button, it's going to launch Google Assistant. Now, you can change this from Bixby, or you can actually have it to be to power off your smartwatch. So for me, I have Google Assistant, and again, later in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually set that up. Now, the other thing we can do is scroll down. We also have our back button here. Now, for me, I have as a short press to go back to the previous screen. So if I short press it, boom, it's going to go back to the previous screen that I was on. But you do have the option to be able to also show recent applications. So for me, I just keep it as the default, going back to the previous screen. Now, number 4 is a feature that I showed you guys on the Galaxy Watch 4, and y'all fell in love with it, and that is triple tapping on your screen and turning it from color to grayscale. Now, the reason that you guys would actually want to do this is because it's going to help save on the long-term battery life of this device. Now, I'm going to be dropping a video on tomorrow showing you guys the best settings that's going to help get you guys the most out of your battery. So definitely be on the lookout for that. So in order for you guys to do this, so the first thing we need to do is we're going to go ahead and go to settings, and then from here we're going to go ahead and go to accessibility. Now, what we want to do here is go to visibility enhancements first, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to go to color correction. Now, under color correction, we want to turn this feature on real quick. Now, what we're going to do here is you want to make sure you switch this to grayscale mode. Now, once we actually have it selected as grayscale mode, we're going to go ahead and turn it off, and that's going to bring our color back. Now, the next thing we want to do is we're going to go back to the previous screen, go back again, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down to advanced settings. Now, once we're under advanced settings, we want to go to accessibility shortcuts, tap on that, and then we're going to scroll down, and we want to turn on and select color correction. Then we want to go ahead and go back to our home screen, and then if we just with 2 fingers just triple tap on your home screen, just triple tap on your home screen, and it's going to turn it into grayscale. Pretty dope feature. All right, y'all, so number 3 for me is not actually relying on the raise to wake feature, but go ahead and setting your watch to tap to wake instead. Because although raise to wake works sometimes, but most of the time it's only good when it works, but you know, I need it to be great all the time. So instead of me actually going back and forth with that, I just tap on my screen whenever I actually want to wake it, because it's just way faster. So in order to do this, all you want to do is go into your settings, and then you're going to go ahead and go to display. And then you're going to scroll down here until you see touchscreen to wake, and you just want to turn that on. So now anytime your watch goes to sleep, you can just touch it, and boom, just like that, it's going to wake up. All right, so this next one here that I want to show you guys has to deal with the orientation of if you guys would like to have it wearing on your left wrist, or if you want to wear it on your right wrist, but instead you just want to be able to turn it around. But one thing you guys notice right here is now if I turn it around and put it on my wrist right here on my right hand, you can see that everything is upside down. But you guys can actually flip this, and then boom, you're going to turn the whole screen over, and now everything is upright how it should be. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. Right now, the first thing you guys need to do is you want to go ahead and go into your settings. So if you go to settings, you want to go ahead and go to general, and then you're going to scroll down until you see orientation. Now you're going to tap on orientation. Now this is where you're going to let the watch know if you guys have it on your right wrist or on your left wrist. But sometimes you necessarily want to keep the orientation on the left, but you want to actually put the watch on your right, to whereas the buttons are more so facing towards the outside of your hand, right? So in order to do this, all you guys have to do is go ahead and turn the watch upside down, put it on your wrist like so, and now boom, I can go ahead and switch the orientation from right to left, and now everything is now going to be shown on the right side, and I can now use these buttons as if I had it on my left wrist, which is actually really dope. And now I can go up here, tap right, and now the orientation and everything has been properly switched, which is really dope. All right, y'all, so the number 1 thing that I got to show you guys is how to actually get Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro, because it's kind of crazy that they didn't actually put that on here as the default. But again, I get it, they pushing Bixby, it is what it is. Now, in order for you guys to actually get this set up, the first thing you guys need to do is you need to download Google Assistant on whatever phone that you guys are using. Then once you guys have it on the phone, you want to go into your watch, and then we're going to go ahead and go to the Play Store. And then once we are in the Play Store, you're gonna see the option to see all of the apps that are on your phone. So you're gonna go ahead and tap on that. Now in this list here, now I don't have it in this list because I've already have mine downloaded, but you will see Google Assistant show up right here. You just wanna tap on it, and then you're gonna see the option to install it. Now, once you guys have it installed on here, the next thing you wanna do is we wanna go ahead and set it to a side button. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to settings, and then we're gonna go to advanced features, if I can find it. We're gonna go to advanced features, and then we're gonna go to customize keys, and then we're gonna go to press and hold. Now you can actually set it right here under press and hold as that assistant, or you can actually set it for a double press as well. And I can just go here and I can find Google Assistant somewhere in here. There we go. I can find Assistant and I can set it there as well if that's something that I want to do. But nonetheless, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys found something that you guys can be able to use on your Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro. Until then, y'all, always make your move and always remember your why, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad! Ooh, so many new features on this watch.